Hello guys, hope you are doing good today. You are watching AWO Technical YouTube channel. Guys, YouTube and Facebook cover make more interesting your YouTube channel and your Facebook page. These are basic things we need to add on YouTube channel and Facebook page. You can say that we are doing promotion of your channel and your page. So for this reason we need very attractive and interesting cover. Today I will show you how to create good looking interesting cover on Photoshop. So let's begin. First of all, I have to open my Photoshop. Then you need format image of cover. You can download from Google. I already have done, so you can download from Google easily. Here I have format image of cover. Once you open, then go to views and you can check here rulers are enabled. If not, then you can enable from here like this. Now rulers are enabled. Now I can set the format according to this image. Like this. I am doing because we will do work on this specific area, because when we work on this area it will be automatically adjustable on your laptop, PC and your mobile. Once you have done this, go to layers, take another layer, take and drop over there and uncheck this format image layer. Now you can see that format of cover also created on new layer. Now we will work on this specific area. You can work now easily. So let's start. Take rectangle and select this area. Go and select black color like this. Like this in here. Now you can see that we have this place for working. Guys, now you need any background image, quality background image that you can download also from Google. I already have done, so I will take from desktop. Here I have image. Adjust over here like this. Guys, see, you can work on this specific area and it will be very easily adjustable on your computer and your mobile. So let's take another picture. I am taking this one. Now adjust on this place where you can work for your cover. Now I will change the opacity. Here it looks good. Yes. Now let's add some text on this. AWO Technical. Increase the size of text little more. Now I will change the color of text. Already white color, then I will change to black. So select here and OK. Now you have black color. Guys, now I will add some social media icons like Facebook, Twitter. You can add as you want, but I will add Facebook icon, sorry. Go and place Facebook icon. I already downloaded in PNG form. You can also download easily very. Here I will adjust the icon. Now I will add the Facebook name, AWO Techno 123. Decrease the size of text because here I need smaller size. Also change the size of icon. Here it's fine. Little increase the size of pagebook name. You can adjust according to your requirements. Now it's look better. Guys, now let's add some stroke on text. First of all, drop shadow little bit. Here it's fine opacity. Go to stroke. Guys, here is black stroke. You can change as you want. I am changing to white. I will decrease the size of stroke. Here it's fine. Here it's fine. Add outer glow. Now it's fine. It's look good now. Now let's add here. Drop shadow. Same like this. Now add little stroke on this. Change the color of stroke. Already we have black. I will change black to white. Click OK. Now I will decrease the size of stroke. On 4 it's look good. Click OK. Now go to Facebook icon and add over here. outer glow, go to stroke, change the color of stroke from here, black to white. Okay. I will set on 4. Fine. Okay. Guys, once you have done this, now let's add icon of YouTube, subscribe and bell icon as you want. You can add. Adjust according to your requirements. Now I will add the icons of subscribe and bell icon in PNG form. Select. Here you have the icon. Adjust the size of icon. Take and adjust here. I will adjust here. Now I will add the bell icon. Here I have bell icon. I already downloaded. You can download in PNG form very easily. Increase the size of subscribe button. It's fine. Now let's add some stroke on subscribe button and bell icon. Let's add some stroke and shadow. Here I will click decrease the opacity. Now go to stroke and I will change the color of stroke black to white, and I will decrease the size of stroke here on 4. It's fine now. Now let's change the color of now let's add some stroke on bell icon. Double click over here, add some shadow, little bit, outer glow. Here I will select according to all other elements, decrease the size of opacity. Now go to stroke, change the color of stroke black to white, size set on 4. little more. Now it's fine. Okay. Guys, Facebook icon and the name of page must convert them in smart object, so you can easily change the size of both like this. Same here. YouTube icon and button, change them in smart object, convert them in smart object. You can change size easily. Now increase the size of background image. You don't need these two layers anymore, so delete both of them. You don't need this cover, also delete this. Guys, hope you like my video and you learn. If you like my video, then please do share with your friends and also give them a chance to learn, and let me know the topic in comment box about you want me to create a video. Take care and see you soon in next video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching AW Technical YouTube channel.